The ClipOflex Universal Workplace System, as versatile as your tasks. The basis of the system is the ClipOflex mounting module, with its almost endless options. And the Universal Modular Workstation takes this flexibility one step further, so that it is equipped for all challenges. Do you need more mobility? Or a variable working height? Do you need a specific working surface? Or electrostatic safety solutions? Do you need compatibility with existing systems? Or creative solutions for seemingly everyday situations? The Universal Modular Workstation helps you with all your jobs. And the entire range of ClipOflex workplace products is always at your disposal. The Universal Modular Workstation from ClipOflex Workplace. Works your way.